Monsters! Welcome to my vlog! Grabe, ang lamig-lamig na ngayon. It's already December and it's Christmas time in the city. Unfortunately, the Christmas day falls on a ordinary day. Kaya, ano ba yung baho daw? Kaya we don't have time to celebrate kasi meron kaming pasok. May pasok ang school, may pasok ang sa work. We're going to have an early Christmas dinner kasi ito lang yung time namin pag Saturday, Sunday. But since busy rin kami sa church, kaya yan. So, ngayon na lang kasi lahat kami may time. Siya kasi it's your exam next week. Kaya ngayon na lang kami kakain.
Next week.
Yan.
You're lying. It's not next week. It's next month.
Next month pala. Now we're going to have the dinner at the Wang Steak.
Wow.
Yan, naliligaw kami. This is Mr. Yang. Hi! Then, nagkamalit kami ng pasok. Hailey, say hi to my friends. Suplada, may sumpong. Medyo maaga pa, kaya upo muna kami dito sa lobby. Ayan. Hailey, you say Merry Christmas to my friends. Hailey. Uy. Ang suplada, ayaw mag-say ng Merry Christmas. Diba? Look at my shoes. Actually, kay Hailey yan. Hinirab ko lang, kaya ang laki ng shoes. Para it's so big. kaya nagmedyas na lang ako. Nahulog ko yung kutsara. Ay, yung tinidor. Excuse. How? Shishi. Nahulog ko yung tinidor. Hindi tayo bagay sa sa fine dining. At ang hirap umorder kasi in Chinese. Kaya humingi ako ng ng English menu. Merry Christmas! Cheers! What is this?
Champagne.
Champagne? Oh, champagne? Why Asian have one? 为什么Asian有？
气泡水。
香槟气泡水啊。
Okay.
It's now have wine. Don't worry.
It's time to eat. Sarap.
冰箱烧温泥浆都取下来喽。
哦，好。
谢谢。
你又掉一个了，你到底想怎样？他肯定掉一只了，你再不要用这个。
好，哎，我把那个
掉了，好，
掉了。
Not funny。
毛巾一直掉啊。毛巾。
Galit na galit si Hailey. Kasi for the second time, I dropped my...
It's not funny.
For me, it's funny. Guys, we have this. I don't know what is this.
Plum drink. Guys, this is my main course. So I have lobster and steak. 这是什么 steak？ 菲力的英文怎么讲？ Philly steak. It's medium. Oh my gosh. Let's have the first bite. It's so yum.
For your hair.
What's with my hair?
Let's try this one first.
I have this. What's this? I know in English. Huh? I don't know the English of this. Zucchini. Oh my gosh. I'm so smart. How do I eat this? Just gonna use my there's cheese with it. Oh my gosh. The steak's better. I love meat. Guys, this is dessert. I got chocolate cake and ice cream.
So, there you go. Doon nagtatapos ang aming Christmas family dinner. Diba, grabe pusog namin. And yan yung dalawa. So, right now, we're going to see the Christmas land here sa Panchao. Ito lang yung pinakauso dito kapag Christmas eh. Yung mga Christmas lights, may Christmas show, yun lang. Pero sa bahay naman, hindi talaga nila sineselebrate. So, kaya kami ito, yung mga Pinoy, ayan, nakiki-Christmas, na lang kami. Tingin na lang kami sa mga Christmas lights sa mga park. Yun kasi ang yun lang ang tanging naming magagawa. Kasi may mga pasok kami during Christmas, and pag New Year naman, January 1 lang talaga walang pasok. December 31 meron pa yon, hanggang December 31 ang pasok namin. So, right now, let's go to the Christmas land sa may Panchao.
There's a concert today.
Okay, so, friends, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Panchao, and look at the lights. Oh, diba? Christmas na Christmas ang feel. Ayan, may mga tindang ganito. Ayan. So, during Christmas din, Christmas season, ganito din dito, may mga Christmas lights just to cater with the international communities. But actually, yung the real meaning ng Christmas, syempre, hindi pa nila ganun hindi nila, kung baga hindi naman ganun, I mean, basta yun na yun, kayo na maintindi. So, ayan, may mga Christmas tree din. Diba, just like in Manila, during December, yan, magpapasko, sobrang traffic. Masyado nila kinokontrol yung traffic dito. So, a lot of people are walking lang. So, katulad namin, yung pinanggalingan naming restaurant, so 5 minutes lang, di na kami nag-car, naglakad na lang kami, nag-park kami sa malayo, and then, walk na lang pabalik. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Ay. Balik kaming mga Pilipino. Ito, yun na lang namin, kasiyahan namin dito during Christmas or during holidays. Or yung dito lang kami nagkakaroon ng Christmas feel dahil nga sa sa mga lights and din sa dami ng tao during the holidays. Ayan, look at the people. Diba? Para ka na sa Makati lang. Daming tao, no? And here's the Christmas land here in Pachao. Ito na talaga to. So, may concert. Yeah, so every Saturday before, ilang weeks before the Christmas, may mga concert. Pero hindi ko kilala, so we will not gonna go there and watch.
Merry Christmas！ 接下来我希望这首歌呢，可以跟你有互动感。你们只需帮我唱3个字，那是什么？
Where's that? Yeah guys, grabe. Sobrang daming tao. It's Christmas time. Naiyak ako. So there you go, friends. That's how we celebrate our family Christmas. Eat lang and then pasyal-pasyal sa labas. So thank you for coming with us today. And ayan, naikain na namin kayo. Nauna na kaming kumain ng Noche Buena sa inyo. So kayo naman, ikain nyo na lang kami dyan next week. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. This is your friend Jaja Yang, and there's Wenchi and Hailey from Taiwan with Love. Merry Christmas!